Alright, so far this is going amazing. We got our bottom bolt off. Now to do this, you got to put the park brake on so that it locks the driven shaft here down to the jack shaft. So we pulled that gear off. Now next we're going to pull the reverse idler, I think, off is what they called it. And it's got this little rubber thing inside and a needle bearing. So we're going to put that in our bucket nice and carefully. Next we're going to remove the reverse shaft. So we're just going to wiggle this guy out. Lift up on the chain. And no surprises there. That's great. Alright, so next step is going to be to remove this shaft here along with the gear. So they're saying pull the shaft out.